Join me as I dive into the latest FreeRTOS kernel updates for the Raspberry Pi Pico 2. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary video on the subject of the latest FreeRTOS kernel update. If you have time, then why not check out the full video? Raspberry Pi gave us its own fork of FreeRTOS kernel when the RP2350 was launched back in the summer, and they're now moving back into the fold of the main repo. FreeRTOS, though, are changing the way they support third-party chips like the RP2350, so this makes for a slightly lumpy upgrade. To simplify things, I noticed that FreeRTOS has split out the third-party support in its own repo. This means that some things have moved around, and it's not quite as straightforward upgrade as I'd like. You'll need to adjust your code to take into account these changes, and it might take some getting used to. The good news is that it's going to open up more configuration options in the long run. One of the main advantages of the new FreeRTOS kernel is that these third-party updates are not welded to the FreeRTOS kernel version updates. That should make it easier for third-party chip support, which with things like the RP2040 and RP2350. This means that you can expect more regular updates and bug fixes from Raspberry Pi, which is always going to be a good thing. The downside is that it might take some time to get used to this new way of doing things. Though by using submodules, I'm not sure how this is going to work with the FreeRTOS release cycle. I, for one, would always use a release version of FreeRTOS. I have some example projects showing this FreeRTOS kernel as a submodule within the repo in a single core and dual core modes. This does a simple performance test on the Pico 2, seeing how many times it can calculate the value of pi to 1,000 decimal places. If you like this video and it helps your learning or projects, then why not drop me a cash tip using that super thanks button below the video or a payment link that's in the description. I'm saving these up to get myself to the open source conference in San Francisco, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I'd love to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.